Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video. In this video I'm going to show you one of the AI money maker that you can use to make money online today. I'm going to show you how you can make passive income by using this AI tool. Without wasting time, let's get started. You want to go to this channel with CV, like this video, share it to your friends. If you have any question, suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Now let's get started. What you have to do, I'm going to go into my browser and type for AI art generator. After typing AI art generator, you can see we have different AI art generator that we can use to be producing different AI tools. For instance, if I click on free AI art generator with Canva, I can be directed to this tool. As you can see, there are 10 turn poor text to art with magic. For instance, let me moonlighting over the mountains. I can be also saying sun rising over the mountains, and once I do it, I'm gonna be getting a different kind of arts that are generated from my text. However, this video I'm going to show you today is not the same, is not going to be also on using Canva for AI art generator. We are going to see how you can use art generated from AI and also be able to make money online or make passive income. Let me again search for AI art generator, and what I have to do, I'm going to be coming select for Magic Studio. After coming to Magic Studio, which is the one you see here, you can see this Magic Studio, and also after selecting this Magic Studio, I'm going to be opening it. So after opening it, you can see I'm going to be seeing this. You can see create art from words, and as you can see, it is now showing a dragon sitting on a castle wall. You can see it has produced this kind of diagram, but also see arts, and that's why I have to get my own. Let's see now. I want different thing. Let's see a person sitting in front of the computer. Typing on it with both hands. Also, and with the headsets. Now let's see if I create a picture. As you can see, I'm gonna creating a picture from this text. So now it provided this kind of diagram, and also this is an art, but the person is having a headset. And also, if you can be able to see this person is using a computer, it's also based on the description that I have also used. What I need to do, I need to download this file. After downloading this image, I can be opening it. You can see it is directly from AI. Now it's from AI. As you can see, this is my picture and my text. What you need to do now, you need to be ensuring that you are also concentrated and you are aware of the given art you can be able to create. From this, what I do, I need to come here and come to Canva, and also after coming to Canva, after creating my arts, I need to come to Canva and also be able to design different things that I need to be designing. For instance, let me click on this one, create a design, and go to let's see, design, new design. I need the new design. So for instance, I need to create yes, let me select the template, like maybe YouTube thumbnail. So after clicking on this one, I'm gonna be inserting different kind of images, and also let's go to the elements here from the elements, and I'm gonna be selecting from cups. Now I can be selecting teacups or whatever. So now after having these cups, I need to bring this one. So this one is a video, but also I don't need the video. Let's find the one which is image. cup, or okay, for instance this one. So you can see this one is having a Canva watermark because it is a free one I'm using, but also it's okay because I'm using this one, which is a free, because you can be removing it once you are decided to be downloading this cup. So once I'm done with this one, I'm gonna be uploading my image, which is the one I downloaded from yes, it was the one I downloaded from the AI Magic Studio. And also I am going to be bringing it here, and I have to customize it to my cup. So now after this, you can see now the person is added to my cup now, which is you can see it has already changed the image. What I need to do, I need to download this one as a JPG file, and also let's download as a JPG. Now this is my cup, so I can try to download it with a watermark, because it is now downloaded through with a watermark, because it is already having a watermark. And also once I'm done, this is my image, which is the final one. And you can see even though it is having a watermark, but also you can see now it has taken my picture. And also what you need to do, you can even be able to add the caps like this one, and also add the image to these caps, then sell this one. So after having those kind of caps, I'm going to now show you how you can be making money from this one. So what you need to do is to come here to different platforms like Etsy, and also be able to type. You can even type sell digital products online, sell digital products free. So where you have to sell digital products, you can get different platforms. You can sell them for free on platforms like HubSpot, Teachable, Etsy. So whatever you need, you can see those are all the platforms you can be able to use, and also sell different kind of digital products. So now what I need to do, I need to come here now on Etsy, and I also show you the ones I can be able to sell if you need. So now for instance, let me show you this one. You can see this one. Now I need to be, for instance, if you can see this, the cup, and it's a design of it. What you need to do, once you click on it, you can see your logo here. So there can also even be able to print the logo here if that's the one. You can also be able to design the glass like this one, the custom logo. You can see here your logo words. And also if you can be able to design something like this, that means you can be able to take any you can see this is the empty one, and also they have you have the filled one, and also these will be having your logo here. But also now once you are created that one from Canva or from anywhere, you can be able to customize it with different things, and also you can be able to use this AI to generate different and appealing art to be putting on a given digital item. Not only cup, also not only you can even put it to books. You can even put different arts to different tools that can be used in a home, like this one, cups, glasses, Red Sea now. And also you can be able to sell them. You can see this one now, all those are different. You can see this, those are different creative arts that you can be able to sell on Etsy. Also you can be coming here now once you are done, and you come to this for instance, if you can be coming here, you see if this one can be sold 25 USD, now 24 USD 0.9. So now you can come here and now click on sales. And also once you start selling, now this is a sell handbook. And also once you start selling on Etsy, you are going to be able to, you can see now, create your shop. Now you have to create your shop and start selling these items. Once the person is going to be buying those items, it may also be sending your logo, and also now you can be able to provide those art to someone who needs it, and also the person can be able to print them by selecting different kind of printing companies for to print his or her own art or her own materials that she's wanting. So thank you for watching this video. Also, you can be able to use arts, you can be able to use AI to generate different kind of arts, and also from the generated arts you can be selling them. Once the people purchase them, you're going to be earning passive income. So you can be coming to Etsy, you can be using different platforms like WooCommerce, you can be using also ThinkTick, you can use IT.io, you can pay limited, you can Teachable, also Gunload, you can see Certify, WooCommerce, and others. You can be joining all these platforms to be able to sell your digital products. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to channel CV. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember to also turn notification button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at No Marks TV.